This information video is provided for patient education purposes. UPMC has no commercial relationship with the software companies mentioned in this video, and UPMC does not endorse any particular software application. We are describing examples of applications that provide the desired functionality, which our patients may easily access and use.
Hi, given the current COVID crisis, your provider may have asked you to arrange a telemedicine visit. This video is to help you show how you can help your provider and help your child by testing your child's vision before that telemedicine visit. Thank you for listening.
Hi, I'm Kajal, one of the orthoptists working here at the Department of Ophthalmology. Normally myself or one of the techs checks the visual acuity in the clinic, but I'm going to show you how to download the app so that you can test the vision at home on both Android and iPhone. Although we have no financial disclosures, we have used Visual Acuity Chart for iPhone and Snellen Chart for Android.
To download the app, for the iPhone, go to the App Store. For the Android, go to Google Play Store. Then type in search for Visual Acuity Chart. Then you'll select Visual Acuity Chart. This app is the top right of the screen with the big letter Z. Once the app is open, press the Settings button top right of the screen. In Settings, fourth option down, change notation from decimal to fraction. Then change units of length from meter to foot. Then in the Custom Distance box, type 10. Lastly, enable the Record Scores option and press OK. Then to return back to the main menu, press the Settings button on the top left of the screen. Finally, change 20 foot to 10 foot, then press Done.
For accurate results, please use a tape measure or app to determine 10 foot. When testing your child's vision at home with each eye separately, we need you to cover their eye with the palm of your hand, just like this. We don't want them to be able to peek, so if they're turning their head a little bit this way, they may be able to peek out with their eye, so we want to keep the head straight. We also don't want you to cover the eye with your fingers because they may be able to peek through. So again, just with the palm of your hand, covering the eye that is not being tested.
If the child's old enough, they can cover their own eye. If your child wears glasses, you could occlude one eye with a folded tissue. Before beginning the testing, we need to change the vision test from Snellen to HOTV if your child knows their letters, or LIA symbols if they can identify and name pictures. Then select Done. To begin the test, press the play button from the bottom left of the screen. Then press the close button. You are now ready to begin. If your child answers correctly, swipe right on the screen. And if they answer incorrectly, swipe left on the screen. Follow these steps all the way through until the test stops and displays a score. Please perform testing with both eyes open, followed by the right and left eye. Please save these scores for your telehealth visit. When testing your child's visual acuity, you want to be 10 feet back from the child and have your phone at eyesight level. V, T.
Hopefully this short video has shown you how to download the vision testing apps on your device and carry out the vision testing on your child at home. Please keep these visual acuity scores handy for your telehealth visit with your physician. Thank you.